Rise and shine, ladies and gentlemen. What is going on, guys? We are about to bid on some cars. I sold a few cars. If you guys don't know, if you're watching this for the first time, somehow you stumbled upon this video. I don't know what the title is yet. I guess you guys do, but I'm filming this and we're going to bid on cars. But if you guys don't know, I have a car dealership. I have two of them, along with Caleb, Karsten, their name, you can see it down in the descriptions, Karsten and Moore. My last name's Moore. Voila. Pretty genius name, just two last names put together. We didn't get too far on that one in the thought process. We just wanted to sell some cars. So we have two car lots, one in Arizona, one in Arkansas. Am I looking at the camera? I don't think I am. I'm going to be bidding on cars. I do this every single day. Stimmies are hitting. They're walking in here, 1,400 down. Hey, I got a whole family. I'm here with 2,500 down. They're coming at me every which way. So I sold some cars, need some cars. So we're gonna bid on cars. If there's none going through live right now, I'm gonna go to the ended auction section. We're gonna see what we can find. There's sometimes you get them golden nuggets. Sometimes you don't. Right now, I'll tell you, prices are insanely high right now. Absolutely astronomical. I don't use that word much, so that's how high it is, if that tells you anything. Consider, first, before we get started, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Just consider it. Don't have to. Hit that like button. Hit the subscribe button. I do this all the time. You can watch more of these videos if you like them. If you don't, you can click another video, but, hopefully you guys like it. So let me zoom out, and let me show you what I'm going to be searching for. All right, here we are. Put me over here. All right, that's all y'all need right there. Boom, boom, bang. All right, so this is the live section. This is ACB Auctions, favorite auction site. I would be wearing their shirt today, but I've wore it 4 times this week, so I'm not gonna go 5. Not gonna do 5. That's every business day. People be like, you don't change, do you? And maybe I don't. But all right, so here we go. Subaru Impreza, 13 bones, too much. Let me give you background knowledge. Our car dealership, we have one in Arizona. It's more high class, I guess you would say, because it's in like a really a well off area. Families, nice families. The other one is in BB, Arkansas. If anyone's from Arkansas, shout out. You probably know where BB is, and that demographic is lower income, but there's a lot of financing, and this one, how do I explain it? It can do just as well, if not better, because we're able to finance and, note out cars. So buy here, pay here. So given that background, I'll be buying or bidding on cheaper cars. So it won't be like fancy pants cars. It won't be exotics or anything like that. But there's a good reason for why we don't, and it makes more sense, I promise, especially dollar for dollar. But let's check it out. All right, we're way not gonna find anything right now on the live auction. Let's up our distance. Let's bump that up. Boom, bang, bang. 650-mile radius of our address. Make an offer. So we're gonna be looking at these. Obviously not these first 3, but when they say make an offer, we go in, we dive in, we boom, boom, bang, and we see. Ooh, my goodness, that has to have problems. $1,500. I don't care if it's got actively dripping oil leak. Arkansas, you throw one of these out here on our front lot, and I'm not joking. 4-wheel drive, it could have rust. This probably does. It could have rust. And 235, I'm serious. 4,500. 4,500 all day long. This just went for 15. It doesn't even say engine or transmission bad. Unbelievable. I missed that last night. I probably had my radius at 500, and that never notified me. That sucks. That was a steal right off the get-go. Kia Soul, RAV4, 03 Corolla. These are so reliable. Hail damage. Let's see how the body looks. I love these cars. They don't look good. They're not appealing, but if I lend this out, let's say it's kind of hit right there. If I finance this car, I do not have to worry about them coming back and going, the motor blew up, the transmission went out, because it's a Toyota, and odds are it's a manual. That's the problem. Odds are these things they don't mess up. Like, they go and go and go, especially at 140. These things go to 300 easy. But they go and go and go and go, And so it's like something that I'd be comfortable going like 300 a month for a year or whatever it is, and you don't have to worry about it. Some dealers they'll lend out anything, and then it's like, man, you lent out a car that's known to have like bad transmission. So it's like you almost expect them to call you in like 6 months and go, I'm not paying my payment because the training went out. But this, you don't have to do that. 624. I'm gonna lowball this. It's a manual, but we're in farm country. Everybody can drive stick around here. Crank windows. Dang, the less that can go wrong. It's kind of good. For these customers, this would not be very well suited in Arizona in traffic and all that stuff being a manual. And a lot of times they want to keep up with the Joneses out there, and they got to have that status a little bit. And this is not status. This is smart buyer. This is a smart buyer right here. You buy a Toyota Corolla, you're smarter than the average Joe. All right. What we got? I'm feeling good today. I'm going to sell a car. It's raining like crazy. Already had a customer call. He's coming in at 10, 1,500 down for the Expedition. That's in 30 minutes. Boom. Feeling great. Cigarette burns. Does it have cigarette smell? Headliner? What you mean? Let me look at this, huh? Well, all right now. Oh, there's no emissions here, so check engine lights can be on. Obviously, I want them off, but they'll still sell. This thing's kind of rough. It's Toyota, though. I mean, I'd drive this till the wheels fall. I would drive this. I would rep this too. I wouldn't even care. I'd pull up in town. I'd freaking. Let me offer. We're gonna go 1,700. 1,700, little low ball, but we got to get some out there to start the day. Great car, hail damage doesn't bother me. '03 Corolla, fire. 142 Manny, little Manny special, clutch, boom, boom, bang. Next, all right, we bid on that bad boy. Don't want to pay that. That's high. Reserve price at 230. I mean, it's Toyota, it's good, but come on, man, come on now, cuz. 8,000. That's even higher, and that's a base model. Come on now, Shun. Come on now. 16.5, 2015 Ram. Hemi. All right. 12 bones. Wow. What is going on out here? 5,000. 3-valve. Don't like the 3 valves. Ask Harley White. And ask myself. Don't like them. Yeah. I think his YouTube name is Robin Hood Harley. Go comment on his video and be like, do you like 3-valve 5.4s? That would blow his mind if he started getting comments like that. Oh man, all right. 2014 F-150. That is I think they are a little better but I think it's 5.42 3-valve, but they revised it. And I'm not going in that category right now. Sorry. All right, 3,500 low mileage, no acceleration. That makes sense. We're not going to bid on that one. 4,900. That's a pretty one though. I do like this. Wow, noise at startup. Let's listen. Where is it? It doesn't have an engine noise. And actively dripping oil leak, and y'all want that much? Prices are insane right now. I can't make sense of these prices. All right, we got to find something. What is going on? Oh, little Mercedes-Benz for the BB Arkansas. These people be flexing out here. The only problem is if I finance this, they'll be able to come up with $300 a month for the payment. But I bet insurance on this, because it's a Mercedes, is super high. And I'd be at the very end of the transaction. And I'd be like, yeah, you just need full coverage till it's paid for. And they would go, okay. And then they would get it. And then they'd be like, we're on chicken diet. We don't just think about it. So I'm not going to bid on that. And my mouse is low on this mouse for this computer. So I hope that's not how this video ends as my mouse stops working. But let's see what we got. Mercedes-Benz C-Class. I don't want a Mercedes. We're not going Mercedes. We ain't doing it. Lexus, which is Toyota, transmission issue. That's surprising. Well, come on, Toyota. You're better than that. Hyundai Santa Fe, Audi, Lexus. What's going on here? We need some cheap stuff. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Look who pulled up to the party. Where's the engine sound? It's a green light. Couldn't perform virtual lift. Engine tray hangs too low. Well, let's check this bad boy out, huh? Ooh, Enterprise, rent-a-car, little rent-a-car. All right, little rental. Kentucky. Straight body. I like this. I like this because I know I could finance this. They're not really the best motors, I would say, but this one looks great. Looks like it's taken care of. 120. It's probably good till like 170, and then 170 it's like But that's like, I mean, that's what, 50,000 miles? I mean, I don't know. Like that's just a guess too, so I don't know. Let's see what we got going on here, huh? 650 away. Lexington, Kentucky. Seat stained, hole in carpet. I'm lowballing. I'm playing safe because this is kind of at the tippy top of our price range. We're gonna go 38 hundo. We gonna bow. 38.50. There's already a bid for that. Well, we gonna do 39 then, son. We gonna win this. Ha! Got him. Got him. That's 2 bids. We need a couple more. All right, we're good there. Little Odyssey. Got one of these outside, waiting on a soccer fam. I paid, just to let y'all know. Hopefully it sells before this video like blows up, because then I'd be in trouble. But I got 5,000 in it, and they want 13 for this. More miles, but that just shows you, man. I got a deal. I got a deal. No questions about it. No ifs, ands, buts, or bangs. All right. Nissan Versa. Got one outside. Transmission issue. That's always good. Not. These suck, but I'm going to click it. It's a green light? That's surprising. Wow. It's a first for everything. It does look like it's in better shape than most of these things. Usually these things are trash. And wow, it looks good. This is, oh, well, still, it's just dirty. This is so surprising, and I don't want it. I'm going to be honest. I know it'll break down on my customer. That'll be the odds. They're known to break down, and it just hasn't yet. It's probably got like 1,000 more miles till it breaks down. So I'm not going that route. Nissan Juke. Man, this would, never mind. Doesn't crank, doesn't go. All right, let's see what we got. GMC Terrain, Highlander, a Sunfire. That would be a nightmare to sell, probably. This is so good, but it's salvage title, and I know I could sell it anyway. I just don't like buying it. Ooh, another Mini, little Volts. Internal engine noise. Why is there no engine sound? What, did they just stop doing it, but they let you know there is one? They're like, yeah, but you can't hear it. Like, we don't want you to hear it. Salvage title, okay. 116, so hear me out on this. It's Truck Nation out here. That's not a bad deal at 116. I know it's salvage, but if you can overlook that, I mean, I'm no genius, but it's not rusted out at all. Seats are in good shape. Man, don't make me act up. Don't make me act up. Is it a V8, at least 4.6? It's a 5.4? Don't make me act up. Or wait. Yeah. Don't make me act Ooh, actively dripping oil leak or what? I mean, why has no one bought it? Excessive exhaust noise. Oh, let me hear it. I can't because there's no sound. It is a 5.4 though. Noise while engine is running. Noise while engine is running. Come on, guys. I'm doing it. I'm gambling. It's 116. I've got one. So my stepmom has an insurance company in town. She has Allstate agency, I guess you say, and maybe she could still swing some numbers when I get a customer, and then kind of like be like, yeah, I know it's salvage, but we'll still insure it, full coverage. Don't know for sure, Tina. Well, if you see this, I hope you can. So that's kind of a hookup, so we can get around some things there. But let's see what we got going on here, huh? I'm lowballing. We're going after this one. 20, and I'm not going to even make it. I'm I'm here to be fair. 2,800 is not far fetched. Oh yes. All right, we got that one on a bid. Boom, boom. That's a good one. That let's. I like this. I like this. Salvage title, but it's not rusted and it's low mileage. So what it means is if that's the original motor, if that's the original transmission, those two valves aren't bad. Okay, the three valves trash. Ask Harley, Robin Hood Harley. He'll tell you. I'll tell you. Those aren't bad. Coil packs go out. It runs like booty, but it's usually just the coil pack. It's just the way the motors are set up. But 116, I could finance this. Okay, hear me out. I could finance this. Since it's got 116, I don't have to really worry about it. The benefit with that is I can ask a good price and I'll know they have a good vehicle. Yes, it may have salvage title. Yes, it may have a new front bumper and a new grill and they pulled out some, I don't know, a little bit of framework in the front. But if the motor and transmission are good and it's got a bed on it, it's a tool. People in Arkansas need trucks because they haul stuff constantly. They work for a company that hauls things. So they always need, always. I get like 100 people in here a day, and they always need a truck because it's a tool. It's not just transportation. It's multi-use, multi-purpose. And they just want a reliable one. That's going to be reliable. It's just going to have a restored title because it got hit. But a vehicle getting hit doesn't mean that, oh, it's not reliable anymore. They're still sturdy. It's not like the frame's like welded together now. I mean, I guess it could be, but we can probably look at the lift. I mean, it's not, but that'd be like crazy. But yeah, it's not rusted. I mean, this thing's good. This thing's great. I'm probably going to end the video here with my favorite find. Wow, oh man. Oh no. Can you guys still hear me? Connected. I'm going to end the video here before this mouse dies with my favorite find of the day, 02 F-150. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was a quick video. We do this every single day. Consider liking, subscribing if you guys want to. Comment down below. Is that F-150 a good deal, bad deal? For my situation, think about it in my shoes. I'm in a low-income area. They need trucks. It's a tool. I'm surrounded by thousands of acres of farmland. Is that good? Is that bad? 116 on the miles, and if I give 2,800, have it here for about 35, I think it's good. I think I could get finance like $69.99. Let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, boys and girls.